wasn't a suppressed girly. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be straightening my hair for the very first time. I have not been to an actual hair salon since I was like 16 years old. The wigs are expensive. So
I ended up having the soft locks for like 2 or 3 months before I took them down. And for one, I like to do my own soft locks because whenever I would go to somebody else, I wouldn't know how they would put them in, so I wouldn't know how to take them out. But this took me like 6 hours, y'all. I was incredibly impatient. It was getting on my nerves, but I had to take my time.
So if I look tired, it's literally because I am. I've spent the past almost 6 hours taking my hair down. That includes actually taking out the soft locks and taking the braids down. So I was trying to kind of take my time taking out my soft locks because last time I feel like I was rushing and I pulled out more hair than I was supposed to. Here is my hair. It's grown significantly. 2023, I barely did anything to my hair and it grew quite a bit, so that's why I felt the need to put some heat on it. But I'm actually going to color it first. I know that I always use BW2 and a 40 volume developer, so people always say like, oh, don't use BW2 on your hair, use something else. I don't care. I've used BW2 on my hair multiple times and it hasn't fallen out. So to prepare, I'm actually gonna put some aquifer on the back of my neck and on my hairline because I did have an incident last year when some hair dye broke me out. But
if you've been
that's
following
not
me
gonna
for a little
stop me.
minute, you know that I don't really put like Vaseline or aquifer around my edges or on my neck, but because I had a hair dye debacle, I felt the need to. And to be honest, I recorded this video in January and I had my incident in June, so I feel like it was a little bit still too early for me to be dyeing my hair again, but who cares?
Now that I'm greased up, I'm gonna part out the sections that I want to bleach. So the color that I'm gonna be dyeing my hair is my favorite color ever, and I'm gonna be dyeing it green. I'm gonna part half of my hair in the back, and then I'm gonna part a kind of like a medium to large section in the front. Whenever I straighten it, it's gonna look cute with my little green patch in the front and my green.
And while you are watching me part my hair and prepare to put chemicals on it, make sure you go follow my Instagram. I have a whole lot of good stuff over there. I haven't been uploading on YouTube like I'm supposed to, but I've been going real hard for my Instagram. So I've been taking more pictures, doing more DIY BTS things over there. So make sure you check that out.
I got my bleach mixed and I kind of have it at this consistency. Whenever I do wigs, I make sure that my bleach is like toothpaste, but in this case, it doesn't have to be. I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. I have not bleached my hair in like 4 years, 3 years? 3 years. I have not bleached my hair in 3 years. So today is the day. Instead of using aluminum foil, I'm gonna use cling wrap just because that was the first thing that I picked up. Saran wrap my pieces, let them sit for a little bit, and then wash my hair. Mids and ends first, roots last. So I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for maybe like 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back, do my roots, wash it out, and put the color in it. This is what my hair is looking like after I bleached it.
I know I've been gone for a minute, but I just gotta catch y'all up. So I recorded this video in January 2023, and I had my hair dye incident in June 2023. And this is what my hair looks like in October 2023. So this was a couple months after I had my whole debacle, and this is now August 2024, and I recently dyed my hair green, and it is back healthier than before.
In June, it's been like 7 months, but I think that because I put permanent dye on top of my hair, that only my new growth is bleaching, which is fine, I guess. This was really all I was looking for. Here's the back. It seems so far away. This is what my hair looks like after I blow dried it. To be quite frank with you, I did not feel like recording myself blow drying my hair last night. Before I blow dry my hair again, I'm gonna put just a little bit of piece of bio silk in my hair, just because I want my hair to be super duper protected. I am so incredibly frightened. Okay, it's not that bad. It's gotta be like extremely careful. That bad, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Wet lace, wet lace. I guess we gonna plug up these flat irons. I'll put it up to 410, because that's what I see the girlies use. We'll put it down to 380 first. It's not doing what I needed to do at 380, then I'm gonna put it at 410. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I always say, do it scared, and I'm doing it and I'm scared. It looks stiff. How come mine don't flow like everybody else's? Did I just waste my time for nothing? Everything that we didn't want our black moms to do. Yay. I'm about to do some like mini twists or something. I knew I wasn't a silk press girly. My problem was literally my ends. Like I needed to bump my end. You know, back then you go to the beauty shop, the stylist is done, she's like, do you want me to bump your ends? And then like begged your mom not to let the stylist bump your ends. So cute. All I needed to do was bump my ends. And I'm loving this little green piece that I did. I had a wig on. If I had a wig on, I would have done like the little volume piece in the front. Like it's really giving grown woman. I mean, like I could get a wig and do the exact same thing to it and it would be a cute wig. But the simple fact that this is my natural hair and
No, it looks like I just left the beauty shop. Like, it really is giving. So if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.